You guys know that I'm trying to get my family to visit all 7 continents and see all 7 wonders of the world. And I have got to be honest, today, this week, feels like I have won the lottery. Why is that? Stick around. So let's get into the updates for this week. And for those of you who don't know me, I am Mike. I'm the head wanderer at the Wander Crew. We are on a mission, me and my kids. I'm a single dad just trying to get my kids to see the world. So this week, we're making more progress on trying to get to Jamaica, but on the channel and stuff like that in general, we actually filmed our first $100 challenge with the kids this week. It's going to be coming out in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned to the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss it, because it is going to be a great time. We went to the tourist town of Canmore, Alberta, which is just outside of Banff National Park, and we're trying to see if we could plan a day and have a good time only spending $100. From last week, you guys know that I got myself a drone so that I can start taking more cinematic shots that seem more like this, instead of like this. Well, I've been doing lots of practices, and now my drone shots are starting to look a little like this, which I think is some pretty good progress, and I'm really super excited to get the drone into places where I can get some really crazy, awesome cinematic shots. Another big piece of news is that for the trip to Jamaica, my mother is actually going to be coming with us. So it's going to be me, Isaac, Sarah, Jacob, and my mother, who you've seen in a couple of episodes before. You've seen her in the Rosebud and in a trip to Edmonton that we did not too long ago, and an Alzheimer's walk. So you guys should know her by now. If you don't, check her out in some of our other videos. I'll link to those down in the comments, but it's going to be a great time, and that opens up the trip not just to going to the resort in Negril, but also to going to Windsor Forest, where my family comes from, which is just awesome. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, knowing that we're going to be going to Jamaica this summer, do subscribe now. Also, join our Discord. We are trying to build a community of travel-minded people in a Discord channel so we can talk about travel, share tips, share triumphs, all that kind of stuff. So do that, as well as liking and subscribing to this. Every little bit helps. I really appreciate every person who does. Even a like just really spurs us on, so I appreciate it and I thank you. On to the big news. This week, we got a sponsor in the form of the Shirella Hotel in Negril, Jamaica. I am over the moon, absolutely over the moon. This is like winning the lottery for a small channel like us. For a hotel, for a resort to take a chance on us is just amazing. So first of all, to the Shirella Inn, thank you. We really appreciate it, and we look forward to coming out there and getting some really great imagery for your hotel and just having a great time and experiencing what you guys have got. We're really looking forward to that. For you guys, what that means is that Jamaica is officially an actual go. Now, some of you guys may be asking, you know, you guys said you want to show us how to do it and what it's like and all that kind of stuff. So you guys got a sponsor now. Is that the same thing? And you know what? That is a fair question. And the answer to that is yes. We will always be transparent when we have a sponsorship or somebody is helping us to get to a place. Now, that doesn't mean that Jamaica is impossible for you if you are a single parent trying to do this as well. Right? There are always options and ways that you can get potentially people to help you, parents, family, and such like that. And because I have a big goal of getting the kids to all 7 continents and all 7 wonders of the world, it's bigger than me. And I am looking for every way possible to try and make this happen. And sponsorships is just one of my strategies to help that happen. So I hope that clears things up, but we are over the moon, and we are very, very thankful to the Shirella Inn for hosting us this summer and making this trip just possible and a success. Now on to things that are coming up in the channel this week. Because this is an update, we do have the Globetrotter Guide coming up this week. It is my new monthly live stream. Our first guest for this is going to be Beach Phoenix. She is a United States-based YouTuber who travels along the US. So she's gonna be our first guest, and we're gonna talk about budget travel in North America. But coming up, we are working on some really great guests, and I cannot wait to share them to you very, very soon. So stay tuned to that. We've got lots coming up on the channel. I'm going to be taking a trip and going to a tiny house and living there for 48 hours to see if I can do it. So much coming up on the channel. So I really, really hope that you guys stick with us, that you like, that you subscribe, that you just give us an indication that you are enjoying what's happening on the channel and the new direction that we're going. What are some of your creative ways of funding your trips? Let me know in the comment. I look and respond right now to every single comment because they really help spur me on. So I appreciate it. I love it. I love you guys, and you will see me in the next update in 1 week later.